Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the fascinating world of hair care, specifically for our lovely ladies out there. We'll explore some scientific facts about hair health and introduce you to a fantastic product that can transform your mane. Mayraki's Organic Hydrolyzed Keratin Instant Smoother System. Let's start with the basics. Hair is primarily made of a protein called keratin. This protein gives your hair its strength and structure. The outer layer of the hair, called the cuticle, is like a protective shield. When the cuticle is healthy and smooth, your hair reflects light and appears shiny and healthy. However, daily styling, environmental factors, and even chemical treatments can damage the cuticle, leading to dullness, frizz, and breakage. This is where Mayraki's Organic Hydrolyzed Keratin Instant Smoother System comes in like a knight in shining armor. This innovative treatment contains hydrolyzed keratin, which are essentially smaller pieces of the protein that make up your hair. These smaller molecules can penetrate the hair shaft and bind to the damaged areas, strengthening and smoothing the cuticle. Think of it like putting on a little invisible coat that protects your hair from frizz and keeps it looking smooth and manageable. Plus, Mayraki's formula is organic and gentle, so you can feel good about using it on your precious locks. So, what can you expect after using Mayraki's Keratin Smoother System? Well, get ready for a hair transformation. Here are some of the amazing benefits. 1. Reduced frizz. Say goodbye to the frizzies and hello to smooth, manageable hair. 2. Enhanced shine. Your hair will reflect light beautifully, giving it a healthy and vibrant look. 3. Improved manageability. Forget about the struggle with tangles. Keratin makes your hair easier to comb and style. 4. Long-lasting results. Enjoy smooth, frizz-free hair for weeks with proper care. Of course, using a good product is just one piece of the puzzle. Here are a few additional hair care tips you can follow for healthy, happy hair. 1. Gentle cleansing. Wash your hair with a sulfate-free shampoo to avoid stripping away natural oils. 2. Conditioning is key. Use a conditioner after every shampoo to hydrate and protect your strands. 3. Minimize heat styling. Try to limit using hot tools like blow dryers and straighteners. If you do use them, use a heat-protectant spray. 4. Healthy diet. What you eat affects your hair, too. Eating a balanced diet rich in essential nutrients promotes healthy hair growth. Taking care of your hair doesn't have to be complicated. By understanding the science behind hair health and implementing a simple routine that includes a quality product like Mayraki's Keratin Smoother System, you can achieve the smooth, shiny, and healthy hair you've always dreamed of. Head over to the link in the description below to learn more about Mayraki's Organic Hydrolyzed Keratin Instant Smoother System and start your journey to hair happiness. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more hair care tips and tricks. Thanks for watching!